Do you want to earn money online? Are you searching for smart ways to make huge money? So keep watching the video till the end, as I will tell you 10 best ways to make money by ChatGPT. Let's start. Number 1. Generate content for websites. By using ChatGPT to generate articles, blog posts, or product descriptions, you can create high-quality content for your own website or for clients. This can help increase traffic to the site, which can lead to more ad revenue or affiliate income. ChatGPT is especially useful for writing the tidbits of an article that you might find boring, like introductions and conclusions. For instance, to write about improving sales, ChatGPT helps by giving outdated and generic strategies to drive sales. You can also look for SEO prompts. Number 2. Write social media posts. Using ChatGPT to generate unique and engaging content for social media, blogs, or websites, and monetizing that content through advertising or sponsored posts. Sound interesting, right? ChatGPT can be used to generate engaging and on-brand social media posts. This can help increase the reach and engagement of your social media accounts, which can in turn help increase affiliate income or lead to paid partnerships with brands. Not sure what to write about? Ask ChatGPT for 10 ideas and pick the best one. Number 3. Create chatbot conversations. It can be used to generate conversations for chatbots, which can be used to engage with customers and provide customer service. Number 4. Create email campaigns. GPT can be used to write persuasive email campaigns and even craft the emails from scratch, including the subject line, greeting, and closing line. Also, it can be used to generate personalized email content for the target audience, and it may lead to better open rates and conversion rates. Number 5. Create e-commerce product listings. It can be used to write a compelling and accurate product descriptions for e-commerce websites. It can help increase sales by providing potential customers with detailed and accurate information about a product. You could also use it to improve your current listings. Simply paste the text into ChatGPT and ask it to make 10 recommendations on how to improve it. Number 6. Content creation for online courses and tutorials. ChatGPT can be used to generate high-quality instructional content for online courses and tutorials. This can help increase the value of your course and lead to more sales. It could also be used to personalize your online course content and cater to different learning styles of students. Number 7. Generating scripts for videos and audio content. ChatGPT can be used to generate scripts for videos and audio content, such as podcast episodes. This can help increase engagement and lead to more ad revenue or sponsorships. Make sure to give ChatGPT as much detail as possible when asking for dialogue. Feel free to ask ChatGPT for revisions or alterations. People spend hours fine-tuning their prompts to get the perfect response. Number 8. Content generation for books and ebooks. ChatGPT can be used to generate written content for books and ebooks, helping authors save time and increase productivity. You could use it for nonfiction or even to write a novel. ChatGPT is great at writing descriptions, generating characters, settings, and plot ideas. It can even help you get past writer's block. Number 9. Content for newsletters and news summaries. ChatGPT can play a crucial role in creating dynamic and informative newsletters or news summaries for your audience. The technology's ability to generate high-quality content can help keep your subscribers engaged and interested in your updates. This can result in increased reader engagement, as well as more opportunities for monetization through paid subscriptions. Number 10. Translation. GPT can be used to create translated versions of existing content, which can be sold to businesses or individuals looking to expand their reach to multilingual audiences. Offering a language model as a service where businesses pay to use your ChatGPT model for specific tasks, such as language translation, text summarization, and more. This can turn into a great earning source for you guys. So, what are you guys waiting for? Start your journey today with ChatGPT and begin your earning career right now. If you follow these steps, this might help you to create great content more smartly, and within a few months, subscribers will start to increase, and you will also be given a good sum of money from social media once you start getting the views. All you have to do is to give some time to ChatGPT and convert the content to the desired form, and this might help you earn money with smart work. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Share your thoughts and experiences with us in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications.